Brainy Bites, a daily dose for self-improvement.
Hey there, welcome to Brainy Bites. Have you ever felt like your life is just passing you by, and you're not really living it to the fullest? Do you wake up every morning feeling unmotivated, uninspired, and unsure of what your purpose is? Have you been feeling stuck in a rut, and don't know how to break out of it? Or, perhaps you're just looking for ways to take your life to the next level and achieve your goals. If any of these questions resonate with you, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design your life in a way that aligns with your values, aspirations, and goals, so that you can live a more fulfilling, meaningful, and purposeful life. So, whether you're feeling lost, stuck, or just looking to level up your life, stay tuned, because I've got you covered. Designing your life is a process of intentional and strategic planning to create a fulfilling and meaningful existence. Just as architects carefully plan and design buildings, you can apply the same principles to your life by identifying your goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. This process involves a deep understanding of your passions, strengths, and values to help you create a life that aligns with your true self. Whether you are feeling stuck in your current situation or simply looking for ways to enhance your life, designing your life can help you create a vision for your future and take actionable steps towards achieving your goals. In this video, we will explore some practical steps and tools you can use to design the life you want. Designing your life can seem like a daunting task, but breaking it down into actionable steps can make it more manageable. The following steps can help guide you in creating a vision for your future and taking concrete steps towards achieving your goals. Step number 1. Reflect on your current state. Before you can design the life you want, you need to take stock of your current situation. Reflect on your current career, relationships, health, and other areas of your life. What is working well? What could be improved? This self-assessment will help you identify areas for growth and change. Step number 2. Define your priorities. Once you have reflected on your current state, you need to define your priorities. What matters most to you? Is it your career, your family, your health, your hobbies, or something else? By identifying your priorities, you can create a roadmap for your future that aligns with your values and aspirations. Step number 3. Create a vision for your future. With your priorities in mind, you can create a vision for your future. What do you want your life to look like in 5, 10, or 20 years? Be as specific as possible and create a vivid mental picture of your ideal future. Step number 4. Set SMART goals. With your vision in mind, you can set SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. These goals should be aligned with your vision and help you make progress towards your desired future. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps. Step number 5. Take action. Designing your life is not just about dreaming and planning, it also requires action. Take small, consistent steps towards your goals each day. Celebrate your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Step number 6. Continuously evaluate and adjust. As you make progress towards your goals, continuously evaluate and adjust your approach. Revisit your priorities, vision, and goals regularly to ensure they still align with your values and aspirations. Be open to making changes as needed. By following these steps, you can design a life that is fulfilling, purposeful, and aligned with your values and aspirations. Now let's discuss the steps in detail. But before we proceed, kindly like, share, and subscribe this channel. Are you ready to start? Let's get started. Before you can design the life you want, you need to take stock of your current situation. Reflect on your current career, relationships, health, and other areas of your life. What is working well? What could be improved? This self-assessment will help you identify areas for growth and change. Step number 1. Reflect on your current state. Reflecting on your current state is an important first step in designing your life. This self-assessment process involves taking stock of your life and identifying areas that are working well and areas that need improvement. Here are some steps to help you reflect on your current state. First of all, create a list of different areas of your life. Start by making a list of different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, health, finance, personal growth, and spirituality. This will help you organize your thoughts and identify areas that need your attention. Secondly, identify what's working well. Next, reflect on what is working well in each area of your life. For example, in your career, you might be satisfied with your job duties or the people you work with. In your relationships, you might have strong connections with friends or family members. Thirdly, identify what could be improved. After identifying what's working well, it's time to reflect on what could be improved. For example, in your career, you might want to earn a higher salary or pursue a different path. In your relationships, you might want to strengthen your communication or spend more quality time with loved ones. Fourthly, evaluate your strengths and weaknesses. It's also important to evaluate your strengths and weaknesses in different areas of your life. Consider what skills and talents you possess that can help you achieve your goals. On the other hand, also reflect on areas where you might need to develop new skills or seek support. At last, consider your values and priorities. Finally, reflect on your values and priorities. What is most important to you in life? What are your core beliefs and principles? This can help you identify areas where you want to focus your energy and create a vision for your future. By reflecting on your current state in these ways, you can gain a deeper understanding of where you stand, what you want to achieve, and how to move forward. This step will help you identify areas for growth and change as you move towards designing the life you want. Is this clear to you? In relation to that, we should also consider step 2, define your priorities. After reflecting on your current state, the next step in designing your life is to define your priorities. Identifying your priorities will help you focus your energy and efforts on what truly matters to you. Here are some steps to help you define your priorities. First of all, make a list of what matters most to you. Start by making a list of the things that matter most to you. This could include your career, family, health, relationships, hobbies, or personal growth. Be as specific as possible when making this list. Then, evaluate your current priorities. Next, evaluate your current priorities and how they align with your values and goals. Ask yourself if you are spending your time and energy on the things that truly matter to you. After that, reorder your list based on importance. Reorder your list based on the importance of each item. What are the top 3 or 4 priorities that you want to focus on? This will help you create a roadmap for your future that aligns with your values and aspirations. At last, make a plan to achieve your priorities. Once you have defined your priorities, it's important to create a plan to achieve them. This could involve setting specific goals, creating a timeline, and identifying the resources and support you need to achieve your priorities. By defining your priorities, you can create a roadmap for your future that aligns with your values and aspirations. This step will help you focus your energy and efforts on what truly matters to you, and create a fulfilling and purposeful life. Is this clear to you? That leads us to the next step of this discussion, which is step number 3, create a vision for your future. Now that you have defined your priorities, it's time to create a vision for your future. Creating a vision is all about imagining the life you want to live and setting goals to achieve that vision. Here are some steps to help you create a vision for your future. First of all, set aside time for reflection. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and reflect on what you want for your future. Set aside a specific amount of time to devote to this process, and try to eliminate any distractions that might interfere with your thinking. Moreover, use visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool for creating a mental picture of your ideal future. Close your eyes and imagine what your life would look like in 5, 10, or 20 years. Try to be as specific as possible, and imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings of your ideal life. Besides that, write down your vision. Writing down your vision can help you make it more concrete and realistic. Use a journal or notebook to record your vision in detail. Be as specific as possible, and include information about your career, relationships, health, hobbies, and other areas of your life. Additionally, set specific goals. Once you have a clear vision of your future, it's important to set specific goals to help you achieve that vision. Break your vision down into smaller, more manageable goals, and create a timeline for achieving each goal. Finally, review and adjust your vision as needed. Your vision for the future may change over time, and that's okay. It's important to review and adjust your vision as needed, and make changes to your goals and plans as you learn and grow. By creating a vision for your future, you can set specific goals to help you achieve the life you want to live. This step will help you stay focused and motivated, and make progress towards the life of your dreams. Am I getting through to you? Let's shift gears now and talk about step number 4, set SMART goals. Once you have created a vision for your future, the next step is to set SMART goals that will help you achieve that vision. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here are some steps to help you set SMART goals. First of all, be specific. Your goals should be specific and well-defined. Rather than setting a vague goal like get in shape, be specific and set a goal like lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Secondly, make your goals measurable. Your goals should be measurable so that you can track your progress and see how far you've come. For example, if your goal is to save money, set a specific dollar amount that you want to save each month. Thirdly, ensure your goals are achievable. Your goals should be achievable and realistic. Set goals that you can realistically accomplish with the resources and time available to you. Fourthly, ensure your goals are relevant. Your goals should be relevant to your vision for the future and your priorities. They should align with your values and aspirations, and help you make progress towards your desired future. Fifthly, make your goals time-bound. Your goals should have a specific time frame for completion. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you are making progress towards your vision for the future. Finally, break your goals down into smaller steps. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable steps. This will help you stay motivated and make progress towards your goals. By setting SMART goals, you can create a roadmap for achieving your vision for the future. This step will help you stay focused and motivated, and ensure that you are making progress towards the life of your dreams. Am I getting through to you? That concludes our discussion of this point. Let's move on to the next one, step number 5. Take action. Once you have set your SMART goals, it's time to take action. This is where the rubber meets the road and you start making progress towards your vision for your future. Here are some steps you can take to ensure that you are taking consistent action towards your goals. Initially, break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps. This will make your goals less daunting and help you avoid overwhelm. After that, set deadlines for your goals. When you have a deadline, you are more likely to take action and make progress towards your goals. Then, create a daily action plan. This plan should include specific tasks that you can do each day to move closer to your goals. The next step is track your progress. Regularly reviewing your progress will help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. At the end, celebrate your wins. Celebrating your progress, no matter how small, will help you stay motivated and feel good about the work you're doing. Remember, designing your life is a continuous process, and taking consistent action towards your goals is key to achieving the life you want. By taking small, intentional steps each day, you will make progress towards your goals and start to see your vision for your future become a reality. Do you understand what I'm saying? That leads us to the final step of this discussion, which is step number 6. Continuously evaluate and adjust. As you make progress towards your goals, continuously evaluate and adjust your approach. Revisit your priorities, vision, and goals regularly to ensure they still align with your values and aspirations. Be open to making changes as needed. Designing your life is an ongoing process that requires continuous evaluation and adjustment. Here are some steps you can take to ensure that you are regularly reviewing and adjusting your approach. First of all, set regular check-in points. Schedule time to regularly review your progress towards your goals and evaluate whether you need to adjust your approach. Then, revisit your priorities. Your priorities may shift over time, so it's important to regularly revisit them and make sure they still align with your values and aspirations. After that, review your vision. Your vision for your future may evolve as you make progress towards your goals. Take time to review and adjust your vision as needed. Next, adjust your goals. If you find that your goals are no longer aligned with your vision or priorities, adjust them as needed. This may mean changing the goal altogether or adjusting the timeline or scope. Finally, stay open to change. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes unexpected events can cause us to shift our focus or adjust our plans. Be open to change and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, designing your life is a dynamic process that requires flexibility and openness to change. Continuously evaluating and adjusting your approach will help ensure that you stay on track towards your desired future and make the most out of your life. In summary, Designing your life is a continuous process that involves self-reflection, defining your priorities, creating a vision for your future, and setting smart goals. By following these steps, you can create a roadmap for your future that aligns with your values and aspirations, and helps you make progress towards the life of your dreams. Remember, designing your life is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey of self-discovery, growth, and development. With dedication, focus, and persistence, you can design a life that brings you joy, fulfillment, and meaning. So, take the first step today, and start designing the life you truly deserve. If this video resonated with you, please show your support by sharing it with your peers, hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.